Welcome to this video about why American companies are bringing manufacturing back home. Reshoring means shifting production from overseas back to the United States. Many companies long relied on offshore factories to reduce labor costs. But global disruptions have changed how businesses think about supply chains. The pandemic exposed the vulnerability of long-distance manufacturing. Companies realized that relying too heavily on foreign suppliers is risky. Reshoring reduces the impact of global transportation delays. It also improves reliability by shortening supply chains. Many firms are reshoring to gain better control over production quality. Closer factories mean faster response to customer demands. Automation has made us manufacturing more cost-competitive. Modern machines reduce dependence on low-cost labor abroad. Companies can now produce more with fewer workers. Reshoring supports local job creation in the United States. Many states offer tax incentives to bring factories home. Energy costs in the U.S. have become more competitive. American manufacturing can now leverage renewable energy sources. Lower energy costs increase profitability for manufacturers. Many companies want to reduce emissions from long-distance shipping. Reshoring helps companies meet sustainability targets. Political tensions have made global sourcing more unpredictable. Tariffs on imported goods increase production costs. Reshoring helps companies avoid trade policy risks. The U.S. government promotes reshoring through grants and initiatives. Local manufacturing boosts national economic security. Semiconductor shortages pushed many companies to build U.S. chip plants. This movement aims to secure critical industries like electronics. The automotive industry is reshoring EV battery production. Companies want to control technology and protect intellectual property. Keeping technology at home improves innovation speed. Reshoring increases transparency in how products are made. Customers trust brands that produce locally. Local production strengthens brand reputation. U.S. factories can adopt higher safety standards. Safer operations reduce accident risks. Reshoring enhances agility during sudden market changes. Fast production shifts help meet new trends quickly. Companies gain better visibility over inventory. Smart factories increase data accuracy for decision-making. Digitalization supports efficient onshore production. Many businesses report improved product quality after reshoring. U.S. quality standards are among the highest in the world. Faster prototyping leads to better products. Innovative technologies support efficient reshored factories. More companies adopt robotics to maintain competitiveness. Reshoring creates opportunities for local suppliers. Domestic supply networks strengthen community economies. More local sourcing reduces foreign dependency. Stronger local ecosystems lead to greater resilience. Communities benefit from job creation and skill development. Reshoring encourages innovation in American manufacturing. Advanced materials are increasingly produced domestically. High-tech reshored factories operate more sustainably. Many companies now prioritize local resilience over short-term savings. The reshoring trend continues to accelerate across industries. More American companies believe the future belongs to local production. Reshoring builds a stronger and more secure economy. It helps protect supply chains from global uncertainties. Together, these benefits make reshoring a powerful strategic shift. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on manufacturing trends.